we just smaller versions of a bigger home? Are you the rivers in your veins? Am I the flakes that become snow? And you might believe that everything is broken. Fragments of sentences we haven't spoken. But maybe, are we just jagged lines across a buried sea? Are the shapes inside a sundisk the same as the arms of trees? And saying we're a shell of what we used to be. Maybe we're smaller. Are we just smaller? And I get lost in finding comfort this time. Fractals all around us, in hopes that I have found us. There's beauty in these broken designs. Now I know there is nothing to be fixed. Oh, can we exist unfinished? Are we just clouds up in the northern hemisphere, taking up dreams that I've left for, that you've always feared? And you'll get mad at the world for spinning round and round, looking for a formula, safe and sound. These lines stretch on and on and on. Maybe we're smaller. Are we just small?